Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I will be guiding you through how to activate your Liberty Bank debit card. You have a few options to activate your Liberty Bank debit card. You can activate it through online with a phone call or by using the Liberty Bank's ATM. In today's video, we're going to show you how to do it online. So the first thing you'll need to do is to open a web browser and type in liberty-bank.com and press enter on your keyboard, which will then take you to the official website for Liberty Bank. Once you get to this main homepage, you will now need to log into your internet banking account in order to access your debit card. Start off by entering your username and then entering your password on the next field. After filling in both of your details, click on log in. Once you're logged into your Liberty Bank account, you can now look for an option to activate your debit card online and follow through the prompts. Within a few minutes, you will then be able to activate your Liberty Bank's debit card if you have the correct information with you. So that is how easily you can activate Liberty Bank debit card in a few simple steps. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.